So hello friends, a very good afternoon one and all, and welcome back to the another video. So today I will show you the place where is our water tank is being constructed. Construction area is going there, and here I can show you the result of plantation which is done by Mayor Harka Sampang and all the public. You can see the result, and it is unbelievable. In the middle of this jungle area, forest area, you can see the flowers growing up so nicely. You can see here, my friends, you can see the all over the flowers, the beautiful flowers has already been grown up. You can see the reddish. I can show you the different type of flowers, and I can see here the public, the Dharan public, who is here to protect them by making some kind of barrier so that the vehicle or the people cannot damage. You can see the barrier of this bamboo, you can see here. So it is made to protect them, and here the result of the tree plantation program is so beautiful. You can see, my friends, you can see different types of flowers, and I will show you now. I will take you to the area where our water tank has been water tank construction is going on. I will take you to that area. That is that area, and you can see the water, it's so clean, and the natural resources, the water is so clean. The Nepal is full of very good natural resources, the water. This is the area, my friend, and as I can show you, the work is going on, and the work is continuous work is going on. And here I will show you the 3D design of the water tank. I will show you here. As you can see here, this is the water tank construction by Gorkha Peace Foundation UK, United Kingdom, and Harka Sampang Support Committee, United Kingdom. And this is the 3D design, as you can see here. And here you can see the Gorkha Peace Foundation logo and all the details. Construction of the reserve tank at the Nishane Khola Dowan in Dharan 13 has been agreed between Gorkha Peace Foundation UK, Harka Sampang Committee, and sub-metropolitan city Dharan. So this is the signboard here, and as you can see, this water tank has been donated, has been made by UK Peace Foundation. We are very thankful to them. So they are doing a lot of social work in Nepal, and here we can see a lot of people are doing their work, continuous effort. As you can see, my friend, the work process is going on, and a lot of construction has been completed here. And the water which I am talking about is the point here. The three rivers water will be connected here, Sarduk, Kharta, and Nishane, and this water will be taken down to the city area. And here we can see today I will show you, this is Shiva Jata Khola, and this is the natural water. And as you know, Nepal is full of natural resources. As you can know, I will show you the water. The water is so clean, you know, and this water, and the planning is going on to take this water to the city, because there is so much of scarcity of water in the Dharan city. And as two projects has been successfully completed by Mayor Harka Sampang and the people of public of Dharan, we can see one more khola, one more project is going to be started. And today For that, investigation is going on all over this area, and with Mayor Harka Sampang, a lot of people have been here, and you can see our project manager Datta Kumar Limbu. As you can see, he is drinking water here. Datta Jai. You can see so much of clean water, right, Dadu? So अनि म पनि माथिबाटै आज आएको म स्कुटी लिएर आएको मलाई ढिलो आयो नि त स्कुटी कहाँ र त्यही तपाईको बाइकको अलि उता ए I want to inform you that the new project will be beginning soon, and for that we have been in a survey today with Mayor Harka Sampang. A lot of people have been came here for survey, and you can see the water. The water is so much clean here. As you can see, my friends, as you can see, this is the old pool, old bridge made of. This is so much old, and there is a little bit risky also. As for the weight, we have to control the weight, and we have to go one by one. All the people cannot come at once. You can see the bridge here. This is the old village which has been made by the people only. They themselves made this pool, this bridge, and this bridge has been made by the local people only. And we can see the people here. We can see here the people, how they struggle in their daily lives. You can see they are working so hard, my friends, and we have again continue here.